It is raining. And that flower that you saw in the beginning was from yesterday, but I didn't have time to finish the vlog. But it is raining.
Yeah.
And oh my gosh, my screen is like dripping wet, but don't worry, it's not getting inside. I'm covering my hand with it. Sorry if you can't hear me. Luna is back there. Oh my gosh.
I'm going to start filming, guys. I'm going to back off where we last stopped.
Okay, bye.
I'm the main creator of the channel.
She is not. We created it together. Okay, bye.
I typed everything in.
She's recording back there. I don't know. I think we're just gonna stay outside, get soaking wet. You know, whatevs. Alright, I'm being such a girl. Darn it. Yeah. Alright, well, we are on scooters right now. And do you want to see some scooter alley action in the rain? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my gosh. I literally can't touch the screen because it's like, okay. Oh yeah. Oh, oh yeah.
It's Luna.
Woo! Scooter action in the rain.
I'm going to start filming.
You are? Okay. Here, do some scooter action for us.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, hi Rain. My mother and father are just going crazy.
My mother and father are, oh, your phone just dropped! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Where's your brother? We just raced with Luna's brother with our scooters, and of course he beat us because he has a car. Cars always beat everything. But it was really fun. I wish I could record that, but there's nobody to.
I'm back and look at my...
I'm back. Oh, she's just like pause video. Okay, see ya.
I'm
There
back.
goes Allie. All right, I'm gonna go catch up with her. See ya. In a little, we are still out here. My shirt is wet. Sorry. We are just. Wow. Yeah, it calmed down a little, but you know,
I became a giraffe. You guys want to see my giraffe?
okay. We'll not listen to her. She's just riding on the sidewalk. That's all. All right. So I will be back. But where we live, the weather changes any minute, and oh yeah, she's gonna have a video. We're kind of gonna have the same thing but different. Oh yeah, we could collide too. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Hello, I'm back. It's stopped raining, and okay. Sorry, that was just Luna here.
Hi.
And we have our day and night productions. I'll put it in the descriptions below.
Hi guys.
I will put it in the descriptions below. And you guys should go check it out.
Do you want to give shout outs right now?
Sure, shout outs. And then we can put those in the description. Who's
My
that?
phone just died.
Oh, okay. There's a mail truck.
Do you want to go inside and play with them?
Sure. Oh, sorry, be right back. Have a nice day. Allie just did a good deed there. She asked if I could help you carry something, and she did.
From the UPS.
Oh man, I'll be right back. Yeah, she just did a good deed. Sorry, that truck just went on and
She coughed.
oh,
She
that
has asthma.
smell.
I like the smell.
It still so good.
So good.
Okay, she's eating her cat. Found.
Anyways, guys, my phone died and it was like at 50%.
Oh, my phone is gonna die, and that's what I'm recording on. So maybe I should go charge it. I'll be right back though, and the video's still going on. Sorry for a long video. I feel like this is a really long video,
It's
but I
actually
haven't
really short.
recorded in a very long time. See ya.
Why do I always do this piece times? Okay, see you in a little.
Alright. See how high you could go. Oh my gosh. There's really bad lighting. Sorry.
I'm not going up any.
You went pretty high. No. Really? Did you just look that? I know, it seems high, right? Uh-huh. You have like a... Oh, sneaking in. Oh, sorry.
Alright, I'm back home. And it is time to go to sleep. I hope you liked the vlog today. And that is it for today. Bye. See you guys.